Welcome to Unlock Your Intuition. This is a gift that you're giving yourself, the opportunity to meditate and to manifest whatever you desire so you can have the life you truly want. As we begin, I want you to notice that you're in a forest today. Whether you're sitting down or lying on your back or sitting on a log, I want you to notice the breeze on your face, the sun coming down from above, and I want you to notice how the forest floor feels to your feet and to your back. And we're going to take a deep life breath in, and on the inhale, I want you to be able to inhale all the scents of the forest and feel the sun on your face. And as you exhale, I want you to notice how you sink deeper and deeper into the floor of the forest. And breathe in and hold and exhale and hold. One more deep life breath as you breathe in and hold and release and hold. Now what I'd like you to notice is I want you to put all your attention on your feet and toes. And as you're breathing normally here in the forest, I want you to notice that you're sinking further and further into the forest floor. And in each breath in, you're sinking into the forest floor more and more. And on each exhale, you feel more and more connected. You now notice the back of your legs and your hips. And as you exhale, your back and your shoulders are now even more connected to the forest floor. On this next life breath, I would like you on the inhale to release your grounding cord into the center of the earth. And on the exhale, I'd like you to anchor it to the center of the earth. However you anchor it is totally fine. And breathe in and hold and exhale and hold. And I want you to notice how easy and effortless it was on that inhale for your grounding cord to go right into the center of the earth, and on the exhale, how easy and effortless it was to anchor into the center of the earth. It can always be easy and effortless to be grounded. And on this next life breath, as you inhale, I'd like you to notice the crown of your head opening and you're connecting to Source. And on the exhale, I want you to plug right into Source and feel that energy on the end of the exhale. And breathe in and hold and exhale and hold. And now you notice how connected you are to the earth and to Source. And now what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to notice that I'm standing there with you in your forest, and I have a tray of different colored liquids. And as I hand you each liquid, I want you to notice that as you inhale and drink that liquid, I just want you to follow my voice and notice how the energy that is no longer serving you is completely erased as you drink this liquid. It doesn't matter if you're lying down or sitting up, it will be easy and effortless to be able to intake this liquid. I want you to notice that I'm handing you a red cup, a cup that has beautifully and delicious red liquid in it. And on the inhale, I want you to drink all of that red liquid easily and effortlessly. And on the exhale, I want you to notice that the red fills up from the tips of your toes all the way up to your top of your legs and into your hip. And breathe in and drink. And hold. And exhale. And hold. And I want you to know how grounded, and notice how grounded you feel that your legs and hips have now been filled with this wonderful red, delicious liquid. And you notice that whatever energy of self-doubt or shame or blame is no longer there. Those energies cannot live in the red liquid. Now I'd like you to notice that I'm handing you an orange cup, and this delicious, beautiful orange liquid is there to release any and all energy that's no longer serving you around who you believe you are. So on the inhale, I'd love you to drink the liquid, and on the exhale, I'd love for that orange liquid to sit right on top of that red liquid, right up until under your diaphragm. And breathe in and drink. And hold. And release. And hold. And you feel even more grounded and more secure and more safe now that you have this orange liquid. Now I'd like you to notice that I'm holding a yellow cup, a bright, sunshiny yellow, full of amazing energy that's going to cleanse all of the doubt and really help you identify with who you truly are. And breathe in and drink. And hold. And release. And you notice that this liquid goes from your diaphragm right up to your heart. And you feel even more grounded, even more safe, even more secure, even more confident than you've ever felt before, because that is the only energy that can live in the yellow, orange, and red liquid. Now what I'd like you to do is notice that I'm handing you a green cup, and this green cup is filled with the same amazing liquid and energy and love. And as you drink this liquid, it's going to fill your heart all the way up to the bottom of your throat. It's going to fill your lungs and your arms and your heart with this loving, cleansing energy. And any energy that you might be holding in your heart that's no longer serving you cannot live in the green liquid. And you're going to notice how it falls away easy and effortlessly as the green liquid covers your heart. And breathe in and drink. And hold. Release. And hold. This next liquid is going to be this beautiful light blue. And as you drink this liquid, it's going to go from the top of your throat all the way up your neck into your jawline. This beautiful blue liquid is going to clear out any energy that's been blocking you from speaking your truth. The energy that's blocking you from speaking your truth can no longer live in the blue liquid. And as you drink this blue liquid and fill up your throat, all of that energy will just easy and effortlessly fall away as you exhale. So inhale and drink. And hold. Release. And hold. And you feel this amazing energy and how you now can speak freely, speak your truth with no worries. And now you notice that I'm handing you a cup and it's filled with lavender mist, with beautiful dark blue and lavender mist. The first cup I hand you is the dark blue mist. And instead of drinking it on the inhale, you're going to breathe it in and you're going to notice how it fills your face, your eyes, your nose, right up to the crown of your head, up into your forehead. And this is going to clear out any thoughts that are no longer serving you, any of your internal dialogue that is not bringing you to your most true and authentic self. Those thoughts can't live in the beautiful blue mist. So as you inhale, it's going to cover all of the inside of your head, and as you exhale, you're going to be exhaling all of that negative energy and negative thoughts that are no longer serving you. And breathe in and hold and exhale and hold. And now the final cup is that lavender mist, that beautiful lavender mist that's going to continue and enhance your connection to Source. As you inhale this mist, it's going to pool at the top of your head, at the crown of your head, and it's going to give you that enhanced connection to Source. Anything that's been blocking you, anything that stood in your way, any of that energy that's no longer serving you, that was in the way to your true connection to Source. As you inhale, that lavender mist will swirl at the top of your head, and as you exhale, all of that energy will be released that's no longer serving you. And breathe in and hold and release and hold. And now as you're there in your forest, feeling the breeze on your cheek and the sun on your face, you feel completely and utterly connected to the earth. You have all of this beautiful liquid and mist energy that has just released all the energy that has no longer serving you. There can't be any found around you. And on this next life breath, what I'd like you to do is, as you breathe in, is imagine this amazing gold energy coming up from the bottom of the earth to surround you. And as you exhale, you notice that same gold energy falling from the heavens above. And you realize that you now have the colored energy inside of you and the gold energy all around the outside of you. And breathe in and hold and exhale and hold. One more time to be able to breathe in and bring up all of that amazing gold energy from the earth and bring down all of that amazing gold energy from the heavens above to cover you, to give you that safe protection. And breathe in and hold and release and hold. Now I'd like you to just notice how safe and secure and connected and open and full of love and light that you feel through this meditation. Just breathe normally Take in all of those feelings and know that you can come back here at any time. Those cups of energy will be here for you at any time. Just come to your forest, drop your grounding cord, connect to Source, and ask the universe to deliver your cups, and they will be there. And every time you inhale, you're pouring that amazing love and light energy into your body. And every time you exhale, you're releasing all the energy that's no longer serving you. Just take 2 life breaths and just notice how you feel. And breathe in. Release. Breathe in. Release. On this next life breath, as you breathe in, I would love you to start wiggling your toes, wiggling your fingers, wiggling your feet, and wiggling your hands. On the inhale, wiggle your toes, your fingers, your legs, your arms. And on the exhale, you can come back into the room and breathe in. And hold. And release. And hold. Thank you for joining us today for our liquid gold meditation and grounding. We'll see you in the next meditation with love and high vibration.